Welcome to the logo creation process. Let's walk through the steps involved in creating a professional logo. The first step is consultation. I'll listen to your business goals and vision to create a logo that reflects your brand. Within a week, I'll present 3 to 4 initial design concepts for you to review. This is step 2, initial design concepts. Feedback and revisions are step 3. I'll make revisions based on your feedback until we achieve the perfect design. Step 4 is finalizing and approving the logo. Once approved, I'll provide you with files to start using. Business card design is step 5. I'll create business cards using the approved logo design. Step 6 is branding guide development. I'll create a comprehensive branding guide for your business using the logo and business card design as a reference. Step 7 is review and finalization. I'll make any necessary revisions to the branding guide until you're satisfied. The entire process takes 3 to 4 weeks. You'll receive a professional logo, 500 business cards, and a branding guide for visual consistency and future growth.